The World News Media Congress 2024 was held in Copenhagen in an alliance between the World Association of Newspapers and Danske Media, the Association for Danish Media. One of the objectives of a conference like this is to work as a knowledge hub, and it's a way to exchange best practices. This year, one of the focus areas was on news avoidance, and especially news avoidance among young people.
The news media industry are struggling to engage Gen Z, ironically because they are heavy media users, they are born digital natives. But not only to the news industry, but to the society as a whole, it's crucial to engage this generation who makes almost a third of the world's population. To enlighten our democracy, to take part in political decisions, we all, in all generations, need to be part of the news environment.
Copenhagen Legacy Lab uses congresses held in Denmark as a catalyst to debate relevant and important agendas and to come up with innovative solutions. And to address the problem of news avoidance in the young generations, we gathered a number of important stakeholders and we held a workshop. And we were very excited when the International People's College in Elsinore decided to be part of this project.
The International People's College is a Danish folk high school. We have students from all over the world who consume media and who have opinions about media. Today we have had the pleasure of hosting a workshop where we have been discussing what good news criteria are. We have been defining a set of news values that we call the Copenhagen Criteria.
I think it was really great to be a part of the conference today because we could get a little look behind the scenes, and the topic of including the younger generation in the news is so important to me. Being able to create the Copenhagen Criteria with new news values that will include everyone was an amazing process, and I think this is a memory I will cherish forever.
Our hope is that the Copenhagen Criteria can be directly applied by news editors all over the world when they make journalistic products for the young generation. And Copenhagen Legacy Lab is going to follow this initiative for the next couple of years and report on the impact that we hope to see.